Welcome to Copacabana Beach in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. This stunning stretch of golden sand is a haven for beach enthusiasts from around the globe. Join with me, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Walking along the soft, warm sand, you can feel Copacabana's unique energy. The beach buzzes with activity, from joggers on their morning runs to vendors offering refreshing coconut water. Copacabana is known for its vibrant beach culture. Locals and tourists alike showcase the latest swimwear trends, with diverse styles and vibrant colors reflecting the lively spirit of Rio. Sunbathing is a beloved pastime at Copacabana. Whether you're aiming for the perfect tan or simply want to relax and soak up the sun, there's plenty of space to lay your towel and unwind. The inviting waters of the Atlantic Ocean are perfect for a refreshing swim. Gentle waves make it ideal for both experienced swimmers and those looking to cool off. For those seeking a bit of action, Copacabana offers a variety of beach sports. Volleyball is especially popular, with impromptu games happening throughout the day. As the day comes to an end, there's nothing quite like watching the sunset over Copacabana Beach. The sky transforms into a canvas of breathtaking colors, providing the perfect conclusion to a perfect day. But the fun doesn't stop when the sun goes down. Copacabana's nightlife is legendary, with samba music filling the air and beachside bars coming to life. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Copacabana Beach. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing travel adventures. See you in the next video.